If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on your Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then what you can do is you can open the Control Center or Quick Settings, and then you should be able to find the Quick Share button over here. This is like the circle with two arrows going inside. Now, if you go to Send over here, then you should be able to select whatever you want to transfer. So over here we have a couple of recent files. You can also use these categories that we have at the top. You can use these three lines to try to use something different, like for example you can open the full storage of your phone. You can also use for example Google Drive and so on and so forth. So once you select everything that you want to transfer, then you should be able to select to whom you want to what device you want to send all of these selected files. So for example you can find your devices if you have another device of yours nearby that uses the same Google account. And you can also try to search for nearby devices as well if they have visibility enabled. If everything fails, you can use the QR code generator so that you can scan it on that another device to get your files. Now, as for receiving files, of course, if you stay on this receive menu, then temporarily you are visible to everyone, so that should be very helpful if someone tries to send you files. You can go over here to make sure that you can be spotted on another device. You can also tap on your information on your profile over there. And then here we have who can share with you. So you can, for example, enable visibility so that you don't have to be necessarily in the quick share menu to be able to receive files. But of course, you might also need to set it to everyone or everyone for 10 minutes if that's enough time for you. Just to make sure that, of course, once again, your phone can be detected. Now, also, we don't have to specifically go to Quick Share in order to actually transfer files via Quick Share. I mean, we don't have to select files inside Quick Share. Instead, you can use pretty much anything else where we can share files, whether it is the file manager over here or the Files app by Google. In fact, if you go to Files app by Google, then over here we have the shortcut to Quick Share, which allows you to quickly jump to that menu. But also you can select files from here first, and then once you use the share option, you should be able to find Quick Share. Sometimes you can immediately find Quick Share devices, so you can use that. And there we go, we have files selected immediately, and then I can choose to whom I want to send my files. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.